Yeah. Maynard, Long, Baker, Cottrell, and there's a few others coming. They're on their way. We got people over here. We got jet skis over there. We got boats. We can rent some paddle boards, and we gotta rent some kayaks later.
Y'all do your thing out there, you know what I mean? I'll be home in like a year. What?
Baker?
Same thing.
So we're gonna go over there, and there's some stairs that lead to the center of it, so we're gonna go see what that is, what it's all about. So, and why so close?
Hey, the trigger, you remember being over there? Going on top of that?
Wait for him. Fox right here. There are some people throwing themselves up from up there, so we're gonna try to see where the entrance is. The stairs that we were talking about earlier, they're right here, but it leads to nothing. Yeah, there's a rope. Yeah, I literally just got off that rope right there. So we go over here. We go under all this little jungle stuff. So right here, there's a board. That's pretty cool. It's awesome. Oh man, you messed it up.
I messed it up?
No.
Are you good, Miller? I'm good? Yeah. You're good.
Ooh, Lon's about to do some weird shit. Oh.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Lon got the best one so far.
Okay. No! Woo! Woo!
There we go.
Oh shit.
Let's go, do a backflip. Oh, you weak.
Oh, he landed on his back. I'm gonna try. Oh! Oh! Did that hurt? That hurt? Alright, go at it. Find Castro, I need to throw the GoPro. Oh!
Scared. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Kylie, you're good. He just went like this.
She's committed. She's doing it.
I made her. Jumping. I'm jumping.
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
So we're on the quest to get my GoPro. Breaker jumped off the cliff over there, and yeah, and the GoPro came out of its housing. So got Miller over here. He's gonna go dive over there, and hopefully he finds a GoPro. Missing GoPro. Here we go.
I think I'll find my stills and my goggles first.
Oh yeah, that too.
GoPro.
It's really small.
Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you.
I mean,
Battery low. Oh
yeah.
my god.
I turned it on when I was down there. Just gonna like
Oh,
lift up the
God.
camera a little bit.
Right here.
Yeah, with your glasses. And I was like, no way. That's something on like another thing. I was like, no way. And the GoPro's right there. I was like, no way.
It was like gold mine.
Yeah.
Right there
Oh,
in one
God.
spot.
Thank God.
Dang, you charging by the hour? What's up, man?
I get paid for it all. So.
Oh, sweet.
I paid for it. It was really cheap actually.
How much was it?
It was like 28 bucks.
No kidding. That's worth it. I mean, paid off already.
Right?
Didn't it? Dang.
Alright guys, so we're done for the day. I'm gonna look for Miller now. He went to go turn in tanks, but I think he's done with that, so I'm just gonna find the other guys. They said they went to go eat, so hopefully they haven't left yet. Found him. It's right there. You gonna go wash off? Alright, so we're done. We found the GoPro. We're gonna meet the guys up at what is it called? Seaside Restaurant. So after that, we're gonna go back to the camp.
I was down there for like a good 20 minutes to get that shit.
So what did you find? He found like the GoPro, the goggles.
It
What
was
else?
someone else's goggles. I don't know. It wasn't mine. Happy birthday.
Tortilla cheese sticks to start off with.
to leave that stuff.
For food, I'm getting the scallop and ribeye. And then I'm getting some milk, and then I have water. And I'm gonna go with the New York cheesecake after. So we just got finished eating our main meal. Some people are still going at it.